is upon you, because he has anointed you to preach good news. The Spirit of sovereign God is upon you, because he has anointed you to preach good news. He has sent you to the poor. This is the year to bind up the brokenhearted. This is the day to bring freedom to the captive. This is the year and to release the ones in darkness. This is the year of the favor of the Lord. This is the day of the vengeance of our God. This is the year of the favor of the Lord. This is the day of the vengeance of our God. The Spirit of the sovereign Lord is upon us, because he has anointed us to preach good news. The Spirit of the sovereign God is upon us, because he has anointed us to preach good news. He will comfort all who mourn. This is the year. He will provide for those who grieve. This is the day. He will pour out the oil of gladness. This is the year. Instead of mourning, we will praise the Lord. This is the year of the favor of the Lord. This is the day of the vengeance of our God. This is the year of the favor of the Lord. This is the day. This is the year of the favor of the Lord. This is the day of the vengeance of our God. This is the year of the favor of the Lord. This is the day of the vengeance of our God. The Spirit of the sovereign Lord is upon us, because he has anointed us to preach